Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to post a trial reel on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. At the top of the profile page, tap the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on Reel. Next, you'll see a new screen with photos and videos from your device's gallery. You can either record a new video or choose one from your gallery. Now, you're on the editing screen where you can add music, text, stickers, or effects to your video. Once you're happy with your edits, tap Next. On the next screen, you can add a description for your video. Below the description, you'll find the trial option. Turn on the toggle switch next to trial. Once it's enabled, tap Share to Reels to post your reel as a trial. Now, your reel will only be shared with non-followers and won't appear on your profile until you choose to share it with everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.